Welcome all to our channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, which is Center brings ordinance to extend terms of CBI and ED chiefs. So today explanation will be on this topic. Let's begin. So what is the current news? Central government came with an ordinance to extend the tenure of the directors of the CBI and the ED from 2 years to up to 5 years. Now both these posts currently have a fixed tenure of 2 years. So this is the current news. Now what are the changes done? So from now on, the chiefs of these two agencies can be given 3 annual extensions beyond their fixed 2-year tenure. Okay? So it is talking about 3 annual extension. It is not that from 2 years to 5 years, no, not like this. First there is a fixed tenure of 2 years, then +1, +1 and +1. In this system it will be followed. Clear? Now what were the amendments made? The amendments were made in the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946 and the Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003. We know that the director of CBI is appointed through Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946 and the chief of ED is appointed through Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003. So in order to incorporate these changes, the 2 amendments were made in this act. Clear? Now what are the concerns regarding the decision? First is the practice of giving 1-year extension annually may harm the independent functioning of these two agencies, that is the CBI and the ED. The second one is, as the changes were incorporated through an ordinance route, it creates a doubt that whether the government is keen on retaining the 2 current chiefs of the agencies, and this is just done before the winter session of the parliament. The third concern is any extension for 1 year at a time beyond superannuation may tend to increase the political interference within the 2 investigating agencies. So these are the concerns which you should keep in mind. Clear? Now second, what is an ordinance? So as per Article 123 of the Constitution, it grants the President the legislative power to promulgate ordinances during the recess of the Parliament on matters of urgent importance or unforeseen situations. So it is the legislative power of the President as per Article 123 of the Constitution. Clear? And in case of state legislature, when not in session, the governor has the power to issue ordinance as per Article 213. It is. Third, the law made through an ordinance route are temporary in nature and thus they has an automatic expiry date. Clear? Now what is CBI? Central Bureau of Investigation. So it was set up in 1941 as a special police establishment. CBI is a premier investigating agency of our country. It functions under the Ministry of Personnel, Pension and Public Grievances. It investigates special crime cases, corruption cases, economic offences, etc. And it is headquartered in New Delhi. Clear? Now what is Enforcement Directorate? It is a law enforcement agency entrusted with the task of enforcing the criminal laws. Now what are its tasks? First, Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Second, Foreign Exchange Management Act. third Fugitive Economic Offenders Act. So it is entrusted with the task of enforcing the criminal laws regarding these three acts. Clear? It was founded on 1st of May 1956. Its headquarters is in New Delhi and it is administered by the Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance. Clear? So this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Always learn and grow. Happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.